What's up, you guys? I'm gonna show you how to make 2 delicious protein packed peanut butter cups. The first recipe is more like a Reese's, so we're gonna start with our vanilla protein powder and peanut butter. In a large bowl, I added 2 large spoonfuls of peanut butter and a half cup of protein powder. I also ended up going back later and adding another spoonful of peanut butter. I mixed that all up until it was about this consistency and set it to the side. In another bowl, I added chocolate chips, coconut oil, and coconut milk to help melt the chocolate down in the microwave. Once the chocolate was melted, I added cupcake liners to a muffin tin and added a little melted chocolate to the bottom. Once all of the liners were filled, I placed this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then I came back with my protein, peanut butter mix, and added a scoop to each. Mash those bad boys down a bit and top it off with more melted chocolate. Once again, freeze those bad boys, and I'll let you see the magic at the end of this video. Until then, moving on to this delicious oats and peanut butter cup. I don't know about you, but I don't like to waste, so I had some of the peanut butter protein mix from earlier left over, and I just added more peanut butter to the bowl and I gave it a little stir. Once that was all mixed up, I added 1 cup of oats to a different bowl and topped it off with about 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I came back with the peanut butter mix and mixed it all together. Set your bowl to the side and fill your muffin tin with cupcake liners once again. Fill that with your peanut butter oats mix. I'd love to pretend like I always use utensils in the kitchen, but sometimes I use my hands. Just a friendly reminder to wash your hands still. Once those were all pressed into place, I top it off with a little chocolate to get the party going, and after that, you guessed it, back in the fridge they go. Once those were cooled, I came back and topped them off with a little bit of peanut butter, chocolate chips, and peanuts. Put them back in the fridge or freezer until they're chilled to your liking, and then you get to enjoy them. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also check out my blog linked below for more lifestyle content. XOXO.